Yo, you guys can call me crazy or something, but I think I'm gonna regrow my hairline back. You heard? I think it's gonna grow back. I started using this pure butter to make it black castor oil, and I put this thing on every day, faithfully, like if it's a religion. Cause I'm trying to save that 10 grand. This shit's gonna work, and I'm growing back my shit, growing everything back. Guys, if you guys got any techniques or anything else that works, let me know. Make and subscribe. Rozzy Grow. It's gonna be a good day today. My hair's gonna grow some more. Rozzy. Yo, check it out. The bathroom is nice and warm because of the crypto miners. We're making money. And soon we're gonna be outdoors.